Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. What we're seeing is a nice stretch of dry weather. So we're going to call this the watching paint dry forecast because, well, one, it's probably more entertaining to watch paint dry than me tell you the same thing I've been telling you the last few days. But I'm trying to mix it up here, and that's graphics one of them. So this is all about chances for 3 days in a row of dry weather. And it's looking good. It has really for the past several, but all the way through the weekend, we'll have 2 more days after that day that are dry that if you wanted to get an outdoor project done, like painting, you could. It's going to have plenty of time to dry, but rain chances do return towards the middle of next week. That right now is scheduled around Wednesday. All right, so enough of that kind of funny stuff, but of course, actually, let's go back there. I don't think we should talk about chores. I think we should just enjoy the nice weather because it's been dry and it's going to stay dry at least for a little bit longer. Only a trace of an inch in the March so far, below average by a little bit, but this is early in March, so that's not a very important number right now. On the year, we're about 1/3 of an inch below average, only 1.5 inches of precipitation through today's date. And snowfall is way below average too, about 10.6 inches, so approaching a foot below average. We did get actually some snow in the month of March. The first had 1/10 of an inch, and that came with a trace of precip. So it was the first day of the month, this Monday. We're going to continue to be dry as we go forward, maybe a few clouds overnight, then clearing back out during the days. It's going to be very nice and very much so the same weather each of the next 2 days. Low of 21 tonight, which is actually colder than we've been. There's that chance for patchy fog overnight, though the wind will be light, so wind chill is not going to be a factor. Then tomorrow, we're going up to the mid-40s at least, like we have been the past couple of days with highs of 47 both today and yesterday. I think it'll be very similar. I went a little higher with my forecast because we've been below the forecast high each of the last few days. So while I think it's an equal chance that we get down in the mid-40s for highs, it's still nice. There's also a chance that we get to the upper 40s and push 50. It all depends on how the system is, and even though the winds are weak, the exact direction does matter a little bit. There's plenty of warmer air actually to our northwest. Now beyond that, it certainly looks similar Friday and Saturday with plenty of sunshine. Sunday is warmer, however, it comes with a wind out of the south-southwest. That does help warm us up well into the 50s, if not pushing 60. We'll be at 60s Monday and Tuesday, but Sunday with the wind might not be quite as nice, especially as clouds start to increase, as Saturday, upper 40s and light wind. So take your pick. Both of them are going to be good. But now we're just comparing which one is better, which for a weekend is always a good thing to be able to do. Into the 60s to start next week because the precipitation chances have slowed down a little bit. Right now it's centered on Wednesday as a chance. We'll see if it slows down further. If it does, we'll remain in the very warm air for longer. Right now it looks like showers and perhaps some rumbles of thunder on Wednesday. That could linger into Thursday as temps cool down. Still not bad Thursday, a little cooler going into next weekend. But overall, still a very nice forecast for this time of year.